Hello, my dear student. This is Infinite, and I am John Rojit. It is my third class on trigonometry. So, this will be mainly problem based. Okay, let's have a look on question number 1. If alpha beta satisfy a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c, then the value of tan alpha plus beta by 2, option A, b by a, b, c by a, c, a by b, option D, c by b. So it is a trigonometric equation. Okay, so alpha beta satisfy this, but we are asked to find out the value of tan alpha plus beta by 2. So let's see how to solve the problem. Okay, solution: a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c. We can transform cos into tan. 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 plus b 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. It is equal to c. So on multiplying each term by 1 plus tan square theta by 2, we shall get a 1 minus tan square theta by 2 plus twice b tan theta by 2 is equal to c into 1 plus tan square theta by 2. On simplifying it, we shall get mean c plus a tan square theta by 2 minus twice b tan theta by 2 is equal to c minus plus c minus a is equal to 0. As alpha comma beta are two roots of this trigonometric equation, therefore tan alpha by 2 comma tan beta by 2 are two roots of the above equation. Okay, that's why mean, as you know, sum of roots of any quadratic equation is, that is tan alpha by 2 plus tan beta by 2 is equal to minus twice b by c plus a. So it is twice b by c plus a, and product of roots, that is tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 is equal to c minus a by c plus a. Okay, now I am likely going to solve the exact question, that is tan alpha plus beta by 2 mean we can express these as 10 alpha by 2 plus 10 beta by 2 by 1 minus 10 alpha by 2 10 beta by 2 10 alpha mean using this we can write this as like this and it is 1 minus c minus a by c plus a. Okay, so it mean it can evaluate as twice b by c plus a minus c plus a, so it is twice b by twice a mean b by a. So appropriate answer is option A. Okay, so question number 1 is solved. So question number 2, the minimum value of the minimum value of 3 to the power 27 to the power 27 to the power cos twice x into 81 to the power sin twice x is option A. Minus 5 b 1 by 5 c 1 by 243 and d is 1 by 27. Solution. This is a question and options are these 4 options. Okay, so how can we solve the problem? So let's have a look on the question. Twice x into 81 to the power sine twice x. So as we know 27 is equal to 3 cube, so it is mean it is 3 cube whole to the power cos twice x and it is 3 to the power 4 whole to the power sine twice x. So finally it will be like 3 cos twice x plus 4 sine twice x. Okay, so suppose these as n, okay, so now I shall evaluate the value of n. Okay, part clear. Say n is equal to 3 cos twice x plus 4 sine twice x. Suppose this as 3 square plus 4 square cos twice x plus 4 by 3 square plus 4 square sine twice x. Okay, so as we know its simplest value is 5, so to balance the sum we need to multiply it by 5. Now the sum is balanced. If we consider 3 and 4 are two parts, that is two sides of any right angled triangle, suppose this is 3 and 4 and this acute angle as theta. Okay, then it is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so it would be sine theta cos twice x plus base by hypo, so it is cos theta sine twice x. So finally 5 sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is equal to sine of a plus b. Since we are asked to find its simple, that is mean value, so as it is constant and a is variable, that is this portion is variable, so it will be minimum when it is minimum. But we know that the mean value of sine is always -1, so its mean value is that is -5. So 3 to the power -5 mean 1 by 243. So appropriate answer will be 1 by 243. That is option C is the appropriate option. Okay. Then question number 2, I am likely going to solve question number 2. The number of points of intersection, the number of point of intersection twice y is equal to 1, twice y is equal to 1, and y is equal to sine x square minus twice pi lesser is equal to x lesser is equal to twice pi is option A 1, B 2, C 3, and option D is 4. Okay, we have no other option to solve this question without graphical method. Okay, so I shall do it using graphical method. Okay, as we know, if two axes intersect perpendicularly at O, perpendicularly at O, then if you consider each interval as pi by 2, then it would be pi, it is 3 pi by 2, and it is twice pi, it is minus pi by 2 pi, so minus pi minus 3 pi by 2, and it is minus twice pi. Okay, so twice y is equal to 1, so it implies y is equal to half. As we know, y equal to constant is parallel to x-axis. Suppose this is half and this is 1 and this is minus 1. Okay, this is 1 and this is minus 1. So as twice y is equal to 1, I said earlier, it's a line which is parallel to x-axis, therefore it shall pass through the point 0 comma half. It is 0 comma half, and the graphical representation of this equation will be like this. Okay, so it is y, twice y is equal to 1, and we have, that is, distinct knowledge how to draw y is equal to sine x in the given interval. So it will be like this. And so mean through this graph it is obvious that there are 4 points of intersection and these are this marked point. Okay, so point of intersection will be 4. Okay, so appropriate answer is option D. Equation cos twice x, equation cos twice x plus 7 is equal to a into 2 minus sine x. Can have a real solution, can have a real solution. Option A belongs to R. Option B, A belongs to 2 to 6 in the closed interval. Option C, it is A belongs to the open interval minus infinity to 2. And option B is A belongs to 0 to infinity. Okay, it is closed interval and these two are open interval. Okay, so solution would be like this. Focus. Cos twice x plus 7 is equal to twice a minus a sine x. Mean cos twice x can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square x plus 7 is equal to twice a minus a sine x. So it is 8 minus 2 sine square x is equal to twice a minus a sine x. So it can be written as that is twice sine square x minus a sine x plus twice a minus 8 is equal to 0. So it is obvious that it is a quadratic equation of sine x. Okay, so we can simplify it using Sridhar-Acharya's rule. It was like this: sine x is equal to a plus minus s square minus 4 into 2 into twice a minus 8 divided by 2 into 2. Okay, I think so far there is no problem. Okay, if problem arise, must comment on comment section. Okay, I shall resolve all your issues. Okay, so hopeful there is no problems. Sin x is equal to a plus minus s square minus the 16a plus 64 divided by 4. So a plus minus, it is a minus 8 whole square by 4. Okay, so a plus minus a minus 8 by 4. So it implies a plus a minus 8 by 4 and a minus a plus 8 by 4. It is twice a minus 8 by 4 and it is 2. Okay, so sin x, as you know, sin x cannot be 2, so it will be rejected. So its value will be twice a minus 8 by 4. Okay, so it its simplest value is like this, a minus 4 by 2. Okay, a minus 4 by 2. As we know, sin x lies in the interval which is written here. So it is a minus 4 by 2 less or greater than or is equal to minus 1 but less or is equal to 1. So it implies minus 2 less or is equal to a minus 4. So it will be like that is 2 less or is equal to and less or is equal to 6. So a lie within the interval 2 to 6. It must be option B. Okay. Okay. So this question is also finished. I am saying once again, if there is any issue, must comment on comment section. Okay. I shall definitely resolve all your issues. Okay. Number of solution of mod x minus 1 is equal to cos x. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, and D is none of this. So how to solve? It is a modulus function and it is a trigonometric function. Okay, so it is a special kind of problem. Okay, so to solve this question we must solve it graphically. Okay, solution. So let's draw two perpendicular axes. Suppose x o x dash and this as y o y dash. Okay, suppose this point is 1 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 1. As this is a modulus portion, that is modulus function, so its least value will be 0. If it is 0, then cos x is also 0. It will be 0 when x is equal to 1. So when x equal to 0, x equal to 1, cos x is equal to 0. So when x when mean x equal to 1, that is cos x is equal to 0. Okay, but we know that the value of that is max value of cos x is 1, therefore its curve will be like this, and this curve will be like that is, suppose y is equal to mod x minus 1. So if x equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. Okay, so its curve will be like this. Okay, so throughout this, that is graphical representation, we are certain about that is these two curves meet at 2 point. One point of intersection is this and other is this. So there shall have 2 point of intersection. Therefore, appropriate answer will be option A. Okay. So, dear students, hopeful this class shall have that is huge impact on your studies. So if you like my classes, never ever forget to comment on comment section. Must like and subscribe my channel, okay? And never forget to recommend others to subscribe my channel, okay? Okay, bye bye.